Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dara Craft Creation. Today I will share the video tutorial on this pop-up log card. So for this card I will use white cardstock which is 250 GSM and its size is 15 by 5 inches and I divide into the equal 3 part like 5, 5, 5. Like this. Now I fold it properly with the help of bond folder like this. Now with the help of scale and pencil I join two opposite points like this and make one cross at both sides. So with the help of this heart I draw a two-side heart. One is a upside and one is a downside, and this heart I cut from the other cardstock which also 5 by 5 inches and I use as a stencil. So cut this part. Guys, if you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for the more updates and more beautiful video tutorial. Like this I complete the outer side. So I cut this extra part at the both side so it will give the perfect and good effect to your card. Guys, if you not subscribe our channel yet, go and subscribe our channel for the more updates of tutorials. Now I draw the heart with the help of this card and on the cardstock, red cardstock, and little bit smaller I will draw inside this and cut it out and paste on the upper side of that card. Like this I stick this hearts at the upper side. Now I will take a pattern paper and cut two hearts and stick it inside like this. Now it's time for the pop-up making. For that I will take two strips of size 4.5 by 0.5 inches total. Now I will just fold it like this. I fold three lines and now with the help of glue I will stick this inside the card. Guys, if you like this video tutorial, press the like button. It will help us as well as we will give you more ideas of paper crafting and we will share the more ideas with you. Now I will take a 2 by 3.5 inches cardstock of 2 pieces and stick it on the upper side like this. Yes, our pop-up card is ready. With the help of this golden cardstock heart, I will stick here and there for the decoration part. So then finally our card is ready. If you like this card or if you will recreate this card, don't forget to tag us on social media. We will give you a shout out on that. And thank you for the watching. Keep crafting, keep supporting and keep loving. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Have a nice day.